Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account phone number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Gmail and click on your profile picture in the top right and click on manage account on this device, and then you need to click on your account, and here you need to click on Google accounts and wait for a few seconds, and then you need to click on personal info and scroll down, and here you can see the option of contact info. Click on phone, and here you can easily add or change a phone number. So you can see that add now, click on add now, and if you have already add a number, you simply need to put a password here. Once you put your password, then you need to click on next. So let me complete that step. And here you need to put your password and select your country. Once you do that, you simply need to click on next. So let me add a sample number, and then you need to click on get code. So by following these steps, you can easily change your number on your Gmail account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.